So let's get started. So ECLIPSE is an end-to-end solution that aims to essentially integrate commonly used applications and indeed processes associated with project management, product and quality assurance, configuration and change management. And what will be essentially the focus of today's demonstration and webinar will be document management. You can customize what this looks to for you. For example, you have these drop-down menus here. So if you have custom metadata within your document management system, you can choose to enable it and visualize it on the screen.
Can I invite subcodes and third parties into my documents?
We could essentially open up one of the documents to our subcontractor, if you like. So if we open up this document in particular, then it would mean that simply by adding this document into that relevant folder, you can see that a document can reside in multiple folders. We're never duplicating the document, we're never moving it around or anything. It's just simply allowing an access point into it. So simply by dropping that document in the folder, that then gives the registered users access to that document, and you could then distribute a link to them. You could then involve them in your review and approval. Yes, now I'm just picking up a PDF and I'm dropping it into the system, and it already shows me on the left hand side this is a document, so immediately I know if I've got a problem. But then it starts to extract the text, and it takes a look at it and tries to rank the text based on what it thinks you're looking for. We can also use this option here as well, which is edit directly in the file as well. So this would allow me to generate my template in the system, but be coming back and forward in creating and by iteration the documents, knowing that I don't need to download the file, make the changes and re-upload it. Quite often before we get to the approval stage and we get to that PDF ready for signatures, we actually go through a more formal review. Now, for this, we set up a few default users in the system. So the templates allow you to do this. You know, if you want to change the order in which you review it because you may do a sequential, more formal review, then you can take care of that. You know, it's entirely up to you. You can set generic accounts to go to generic mailboxes in order for people to pick them up as well. So then what we're going to do is start an approval cycle within here, and we use the same one. This time we run a parallel. And okay, this is all optional, of course, so let's just get started. And then it kicks off the review from here. And if I expand this out to screen, you see it's the exact same process as we looked at before, where the one you were reviewing the documents, you might have more chance to update comments, so you might be more likely to update a version. This really, you're just rubber stamping, so you're either adding a comment if you choose to, or really all we need to do is click on approve within the document.
So we've adapted our licensing structure. You can start off with as little as 10 people. And if you're not sure that you want to use the ECLIPSE system, we can also provide you with a 1-month free trial with full features and of course a nice workshop upfront by ourselves to get you started.